In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Xfinity Wi-Fi faster. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we can do is restart your modem or router. So unplug your Xfinity modem router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 2 to 3 minutes to fully restart. What this does, this clears memory, refreshes the connection and can improve speed. Fix number 2, use Ethernet for critical devices. So connect gaming consoles, PCs or smart TVs via the Ethernet cable for faster, more stable speeds. Wireless signals is always slower than wired. Alright, fix number 3, you want to place your router in a central location. So you can see in this diagram, placing a good router placement will be in the center, not in the far corner, bottom corner of your house. So avoid placing it in corners, basements, or behind very thick walls or thick walls. And also keep it elevated on a shelf away from microwaves, TVs, and cordless phones. Fix number 4 is upgrade your modem or router. So make sure your device supports DOCSIS 3.1 and Wi-Fi 5 and 6. If you're using an Xfinity supplied gateway that's old, request an upgrade or buy your own compatible model. Fix number 5 is use the Xfinity app to optimize. Open the Xfinity app, tap Wi-Fi, run a speed test and optimize settings. It can detect and fix issues and suggest better channels. Fix number 6, change Wi-Fi channel or band. So log into a router admin settings via and switch between 2.4 GHz longer range and 5 GHz faster speed. Change channel to avoid congestion from nearby networks. And also limit connected devices. So you don't too many devices on one connection can slow speeds down quite a bit. So disconnect unused devices and disable background downloads or cloud syncs.